boys and girls. This is Mrs. Meyer speaking, and I have a project for you to do at home today since we're having all this rain. I want you to get one plate. I just chose an old one from my house, and one paper towel, and you're just going to put the paper towel on top of the plate. And then you need something, and I'm going to suggest flour. And you're going to sprinkle some flour across the paper towel like so. You don't want to touch it. You really don't want your fingerprints in it. When the rain begins, you're going to carry the plate outside. Let Mom or Dad help you on that part of it. And then let some raindrops fall on top of your flour. When it falls on top, you're going to measure the size of the raindrop. I want to show you here, I have a cup of water, and I'm just sprinkling some water with my fingers on it. And if you look, you can kind of see the water droplets that have landed on my flour. And what you're going to do after that is you are just simply going to look at it and measure it, and I want you to decide and let me know, are all raindrops the same size? Thanks so much. Can't wait to hear from you. Bye.